Well, for me, for example, I want to make sure that before I arrive, I'm completely prepared. So you can check online on the Curtin website. There's a pre-departure guide. Have a look at all of that. But there's also other websites like Study West, which you can have a look at it. So you make sure that when you get here, you've got it all covered.
Maybe, I don't know, I had a get together with my family and some close friends before I left, and I think that was really special. We took a picture and I got it and brought it here, and yeah, I would say definitely do that before you leave.
If you can find family or friends before you arrive, someone in the Perth area who can come and meet you and help you, walk you through what you need to do.
To learn cooking at home first, because for international students, especially from China, a lot of people come from the middle class families. They don't have too much money. Yeah, they can't buy food every day, so you need to cook.
Also, something else I would recommend is starting to keep a journal before you go. And I know I felt pretty nervous about coming, just especially a week before I left, or even a month before I left. I was like, oh no, what am I doing, kind of thing. But I would write a journal, just some things about your thoughts or how you're nervous or that sort of thing, and then keep it all throughout your trip. And then it's kind of fun to look back at the entries that you made when you were still at home and how nervous you were, this wouldn't work out or that wouldn't work out, and just see that it really did all work out. And you kind of get to see how you've changed over the trip as well.